have you ever wondered how to elevate your security in the unforgiving world of Rust? If you enjoy exploring and surviving in this vast landscape, you might want to consider the incredible utility of CCTV cameras. Before diving in, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Imagine transforming your base into a fortress equipped with eyes that never blink. The introduction of CCTV cameras is a game changer, offering you a constant watch over your surroundings. These devices operate like vigilant sentinels, alerting you to potential threats before they reach your doorstep. To utilize these cameras effectively, the first step is to establish a computer station C. This hub allows you to access and manage multiple camera feeds, providing a strategic advantage to, you'll need to gather materials, including high quality metal and various components, which you can find scattered throughout the Rust landscape. Once your computer station is up and running, it's time to focus on acquiring CCTV cameras. Search near wreckage sites, scavenge from airdrops, or loot containers hidden across the map. Remember, each camera requires a power source to operate, so ensure your base has the necessary electrical output. Building the computer station involves crafting using blueprints available at a level 1 workbench. Assemble the required components, and you'll unlock the ability to monitor your surroundings from the comfort of your base. Keep it secure, as the last thing you want is an uninvited guest exploiting your newfound technology. Now let's talk, codes AS. When you start your computer station, the screen will be empty, waiting for you to input the necessary identifiers, and you can easily access and store multiple camera feeds by entering specific codes, which can be found throughout various locations in the game. From the airfield to the oil rigs, each area has its unique identifiers that you can use to enhance your surveillance network. And that's talking that those are active work, the primary of this. And she often, they feature a unique set of camera codes that require a key card to access. And once inside, you can discover this 4-digit number that generates for every player's map. And the thrill of unlocking new views adds another layer of excitement to your Rust experience. Setting up CCTV is more than just about watching. It's about being proactive. By integrating these cameras into your base, you can stay ahead of enemies and plan your next move. Plus, you can even peek into others' cameras, allowing you to strategize and survive all the time. Now for a little humor, why did the camera break up with the computer? It just couldn't see eye to eye. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,